Hey folks, how you doing today? This is Monday. My brother out there. If we can see him up there or not. He's got a ground blind. He's getting ready to set up. I'm out here with him. This is a place he's got permission in Quebec to hunt. So he's gonna bring that ground blind out there. It's starting to rain, so I didn't go with him. It'd take me forever to walk through this stuff anyway, with crutches. So after he sets up that ground blind where he's gonna put it, we're gonna take a ride up through Bank and do some deer scouting. Something to do in the rain. I don't know where he's got planned to go, but I'm sure it'll be something interesting to check out. He's got his 20 gauge over and under, and I got my 22 in case we see any birds. Usually see a few in the rain for some reason, so give it a shot. I'll get you some more footage once we get out there, and hopefully we'll see some more stuff out in Bank. Seen anything yet? So my brother will be back shortly. Try to get a picture of a video of a bird here. Of course, as soon as I got the camera out, he took off. Oh well. Big flock of Canadian geese just flew by. Keeping an eye down the road for birds or coyotes and stuff. Haven't seen anything yet. Heard the geese and had a little bird right out here. That was it so far. Took off on you, flew straight down. Oh, see him land on there? Did you see him? He went up about 100 yards and landed. He took a right into the woods right there. I saw him.
Try it out.
Yep.
See if you can mark a spot where you see them.
Yep, right up on that, just past that first corner up there on the right.
I don't know if I tickle them or not.
No, yeah, it was a long shot for a 20 gauge.
Yeah.
We'll see.
You're getting frisky.
Just flushed a woodcock in there. Not getting that grouse, was too far away. Yeah, as we were driving, the woodcock just took off right next to the truck and went right in by that little birch tree. Like he decided he wanted to see if he could get a shot at it anyway. Well, that's the thing about bird hunting. I've already driven through here going in. Didn't see anything coming in, but saw something coming out. Really, just not quite the same. I mean, it still happens during deer season, but not quite as often as it does for bird hunting. Taking a walk in deeper and see if you can flush that bird out again. But it's so thick in there, I don't know if you have much luck. I'll have to try, right? See what happens. Well, he just flushed it from behind us, and it went right behind this big pine tree right here. So he's gonna go in there and see if he can flush it out again. Chilly day out. In the low 40s with that wind blowing. It says wind chill is like 35 degrees. Awesome. Yeah, I heard it. I didn't see it either. Oh, just jumped it again. We heard it. Sneaky. Must have been hunted before. He knows how to get the heck out of Dodge when he needs to.
Usually you step on the deer.
I know. It's like a helicopter. Straight up, then take right off. Vroom.
Hoping to get the CZ on the board.
Yeah, almost got him. Hopefully something more out here.
Almost got him, like I almost won the lottery.
Yeah, every week we almost win the lottery. We'll see what happens next time, I guess. Well, we stopped at this spot down over here. My brother's taking a walk over there right now. There's a big stump with like a pink sticky note on it, and it looks like there's two skulls on the stump. They're like moose skulls or something. I don't know. Let me show you some video. I don't know if you'll be able to see it or not. I don't know if you can see him or not down there.
It's a bear bait site permit.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Are those skulls?
Yeah, let's go.
Huh. Well, bear baiting's over.
Yeah, it says 2024
Yeah.
bear bait site. You can see right in there is where they have it. trail right here.
Yeah.
Right down there, there's a few more marks.
Cool.
Yeah, I didn't even see that bird. I heard it.
Yeah. Just as you got out of the truck, went in front of the truck, and flushed a partridge out that way. We didn't even see the bird. That's been our luck today, that's for sure. Oh, you got a squirrel all ticked off now. Yep, Sammy and Opie would love that, and Mitchell too.
Mitchell.
We're doing a little deer scouting too. My brother's gonna bring a shotgun. We're going near Big Buttermilk, not the second one that I always walk to, but this is the large one, Big Buttermilk. And this looks like it's the closest way in to get to it. So he's gonna take a walk in there, see what he sees. See how get to that, because he's thinking about bringing a coyote blind out here for during the wintertime for coyote hunting. Once that buttermilk freezes over, you can put it out there and put a bait site out, sit and wait and watch. Well, wait for him to come back and give me a report.
Nice.
Find buttermilk in there, did you?
Oh yeah. You could get a full all the way in there.
Really? Cool.
I took a little video of it for you.
Oh, cool.
Send it to you.
Awesome. Thank you, thank you.
Yeah.
Nothing out here.
Take 3 or 4 boats down there.
There's a. I put a marker here so I know how to get here sometime.
Yeah.
On my hunt stand app.
Sweet.
Cool.
So we're right there. It opens up a little bit up there, and then there's this little pond up there.
Oh yeah. Yep.
That's a high ridge right there. That's high ridge.
Yeah.
That's cool.
You can sit there and look down in.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Nice.
Cool.
Oh,
Heading this
Gets-
way.
gets bigger up there, downstream.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Cool.
Cool. New bridge here. Pretty pretty. Pond up that way, you said?
Not really. Just opens up to this.
Oh
And then a little pond right there.
yeah. Right.
Open up.
Quite a ways in there.
Yeah. But it's open.
Yeah.
Just a little ways in.
Cool.
Eva.
Sweet.
Even.
We just had another bird fly out across the road in front of us here. Brother's gonna get a shotgun and see if he can line him up. I'll show you what we got here. I'm gonna go in and try and force him back. Go in there about up on the bank, probably another 50 feet up there, so he's probably gonna go around. Bird come off this bank over here and flew across the road. Right up in there somewhere. I think he's trying to go walk around it and push it out this way, possibly. Might have just flushed one out there because he's been there a few minutes now. Just shot in there. Just shut the camera off too. figures. I didn't know how long you'd be in there. What happened?
This saved the partridge life
Jesus.
in between me and it.
Oh, jeez. Of course. What a surprise. I thought I heard one over in here.
Did you?
I heard a peeping. But I don't know. We're just not doing too good with birds today, for some reason.
Holy cow. I stepped down there.
Yeah.
I almost went up to my freaking knees.
I saw you over there. I was like, what the hell are you still doing
I
there?
let my boot come off.
Oh, did it?
This one was started going down that far.
Oh,
This
jeez.
boot was right at the rim.
It was all
I
mud.
had to take it and pull it out. No, it just didn't go in.
Oh, Jesus. What a pain.
Oh boy.
One of them days.
Yeah.
Lily luck, as we say. Oh.
He was right up on the bank. I was right inside. It was perfect. He was 20 yards away.
Yeah.
I shot and that tree goes, that branch goes, good. I'm like, oh my God.
Saved by the branch. Again.
Oh wow.
Yeah. Well, we're giving it a try anyway.
Yeah.
Well, just getting back home. Started pouring rain out. My brother's covering the wood splitter. Got to see a couple of birds, not a lot. It's got a few promising places for deer hunting. And my brother was also scouting out some spots for coyote hunting after deer season. So it's pretty productive, but it's a rainy day. We want to do something while it's still raining out. But boy, I just had looked like a piece of hail just landed on my arm. It's pretty cool outside, so I wouldn't doubt it. Thanks again for watching. We'll talk to you later.